I'm Patti Sanchez, Chief Strategy Officer of Duarte, co-author of Illuminate, and creator of the workshop on which it's based. Most organizations are going through some kind of transformation, and yet most of those transformations fail or sputter. They get stuck because change is hard for people. So we created this workshop to give people the tools they need to spark and sustain change so that it will be successful in the end. And it's for anybody who's trying to lead change or influence other people to change. You'll walk away with the tools you need to make that transformation actually work. You'll learn how to influence people using storytelling principles, and using story, how you can spark and sustain commitment throughout the entire change journey with an ongoing stream of meaningful, empathetic, and relevant communication. In this workshop, we'll study story and change, moments and movements, audience empathy, and communication planning. Story and change is all about story structure and how it mirrors the shape of change, and how you can use story to move people through that journey. Because transformation often takes more than one great piece of communication, we'll teach you how to use moments to create movements rooted in storytelling principles. You'll learn how to cultivate empathy even when communicating to multiple audiences using our VentureScape tool. You'll work in small groups to explore communication challenges for a real issue you're working on right now. Finally, we'll teach you how to plan your communication throughout the journey by selecting the right mix of speeches, stories, and ceremonies, and even craft a few stories of your own for daily use. This half-day, highly interactive workshop has the perfect blend of expert guidance and practical application that will keep you engaged the entire time. The techniques you'll learn in this workshop were validated through more than a decade of communication consulting work that we've done with the world's top brands, as well as the research that Nancy Duarte and I did in writing the book Illuminate. You'll leave this workshop with all the tools you need to transform the way that you communicate change. You'll not only be able to see a better future, but be able to rally other people to help you make it a reality. I hope you'll join us for this strategic and creative communication workshop.